Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to customize reports in Wave in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. First step is going to be to log into Wave. So you can do that on the official website, or you can choose to do so on the Wave mobile app. But once you're logged in, just navigate to reports, and then you're going to choose any report types. It could be profit and loss reports or balance sheets, whatever it is. And then you can use the date range selector to define the specific time period that you want. You could also apply filter by customers, product or service, or you could also use accounts where eligible, or rather where available. Once that's done, you can also sort sections or group lines items for better clarity. And if you want to, you can rename report titles or add notes before deciding to export. But once you're done and you want to export, just click export or print to finalize. That's pretty much it for the video. So customizing report lets you to zero in on what drives your business. And in the next video, we're going to cover how to export financial reports in Wave. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will catch you in the next one.